Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here. My name is Logan.
And my name is Francesco.
And in today's video, we are going to be discussing about the HomePod Mini.
Yes, so
everything.
That's one product announced in specific. So the Apple event was a couple weeks ago, the October 2021 Apple event, and funny enough, we forgot to film a recap video. So that's what we're doing today. We're recapping everything that was announced at this event, and there were 3 things, and let's get right into this video. Here we go. So first, we have the HomePod, which looks exactly the same as the one from last year, except they added 3 new colors. So all there is just 3 new colors. That's it.
Wow.
Nothing changed. They just wanted to bring some colors. They brought blue, orange, and yellow.
New colors, everybody. So if you want to spend a HomePod that you already got on 3 brand new colors, be my guest.
Yeah.
This is just gonna be me attacking Apple for everything.
Then we got the long-awaited
AirPods 3. So let's see the reveal. Let's see the reveal of the AirPods 3. Like they suppose it's gonna be different than the AirPods 1, 2, and 3. Wow! Basically what they did is use the spatial audio, use the same thing, went back to the AirPods, original AirPods.
So basically what you'll see a comparison at the end. They basically, let's go through this here. So with spatial audio, so that's nothing new. It's basically a lot of the AirPods features that it has. The only thing that it changed is it basically took the AirPod Pro, removed the ear tip, so no noise cancellation, no transparency mode, no nothing like that, and there's a little bit better battery. It has a MagSafe case, which they also changed in the AirPods Pro, which it doesn't show, but it added
the same
magnets so you can charge a MagSafe. And it's basically, let's take a look at
nothing.
Those are the AirPods lineup now. So this is the original AirPods. This is the 3rd AirPods, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max.
Okay, guys, if you want to spend $329 plus tax, be my guest.
That was announced, $239.
Oh, $239.
Yes.
This one.
The AirPods 3rd gen.
$239 for basically sweat and water resistant. Wow.
So as you can see here, they have an hour and a half more than the AirPods Pro, and they don't have ANC and transparency mode. That's the only.
Literally just buy the AirPods Max. Jesus. It has I'd rather spend $800 than spend it on an AirPods generation that has less charging than what, like, even these AirPods 2nd generation has 1 hour less, but it literally has the same things.
Well,
except for spatial and sweat, water resistant, which I don't even know why you need it. If you're a sweaty person, be a sweaty person.
Then we got the heavily rumored, heavily awaited, the new 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pros.
Okay.
Did you notice anything different?
Nope.
Probably not off the bat, but once I point out the changes, you will.
Is it in the machinery itself?
It's a complete redesign of the machine.
Oh, okay.
First of all, they got new ports. As you can see here, they brought HDMI back, SD card slot, MagSafe back.
So HDMI was already on a computer before.
No, remember, so in 2016, they removed all those ports and you just had these USB-C, and people were complaining because you always had to buy adapters. You remember?
So literally what they did is listen to fans of Apple Universe, because why would you listen to them? Because we don't even know. And basically what they did is, literally, we're gonna bring back the HDMI and even charge more. Yeah, let's go, Apple. I'm a big supporter, man.
They have new chips, so you know last year.
Let me guess. Now they went from M1 Max to M1 Pro.
They went from M1 to M1 Pro and Max.
Oh my god, okay. So literally what they did is just copy the iPhone Pro Max, whatever you want to call it, iPhone Pro, and literally took the little chips, made an iPhone Pro M1 Bionic chip.
Honestly, okay, so this is the only thing that people are not too happy about is the naming. They could have went with M1X, but like it was rumored, but instead they went with M1 Pro and M1 Max. So now you can say, look, I bought the new M1 Max 16-inch MacBook Pro.
Like, what in the world? How much sense does that make? Literally, like, fix your own Apple, man. They're so confusing. Like, why not just come, like, in the M...
One chip and just make it... We don't have to make them two separate names. Anyways,
M1 Pro
the M1 Pro starts at a 10-core CPU and a 16-core GPU, so the M1 was only 8 cores on the CPU and 8 cores on the GPU. Then on the M1 Max, so instead of 8 and 8 or 10 and 16, you have up to 10-core CPU and 32-core GPU. So I don't know why they left the CPU the same. They could have went to 12-core CPU, but then they didn't.
I'm speaking from experience with Apple.
We also no, you don't see it here. You'll notice it soon.
M1 Max.
So these have beautiful displays, by the way, and they're talking about the speed here. So obviously it's much faster than M1. It has much more better battery than the previous.
Are you gonna buy a Mac?
This new Liquid Retina XDR display is the exact same one on the Pro Display XDR, the $6,000 Pro Display XDR.
ProMotion, literally.
ProMotion 120 Hertz as well. They added.
Okay. Oh my god. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, they added a notch. Wow. Now that gives them the right to price it ridiculously high because they added a notch.
So we got ridiculous sounding speakers. There are the ports that I was talking about.
Headphone jack. Okay.
That was always there.
Let's see. Is it $1,000?
No, this is Canadian pricing.
Okay, hold on.
We already went over the AirPods. We already know the HomePod.
No, this is .com website.
It has CA.
Okay, wait, hold on. Before you do this, are they gonna be generous and maybe charge $700?
Huh? $700 for a laptop?
Yeah.
The previous one started at $2,000.
This better not be worth more than $2,000. Let's see it. Come on. Be generous. I'd be a great salesman.
We're starting with the 14-inch.
Okay, 14-inch.
Here's an 8-core CPU and a 14-core GPU.
For nothing different.
10 CPU and the 16.
For basically an M1 chip, $2,499.
And then the 16
Is this one 4,000 too? Oh, 4,000.
16 inches or more.
For the 12 month.
If you ask me which one I would buy, I'll configure.
Go with the 13-inch.
I'll configure which one I would buy. Hold on, let me. This would be my configuration. It would be an M1 Max 10-core CPU, 24-core GPU on the 16-inch with 32 gigs of RAM and a terabyte of SSD.
And that would be $4,149. Literally.
Now, something that they didn't announce at the event, but it was silently added to the Apple Store that people went crazy about. So when you go to the Mac section, you see the Pro Display XDR. So when you go to buy it, you see in the section where, it doesn't tell you what it comes with. Okay. Well, if you go into the Mac accessories, there's an accessory that came with the Pro Display XDR that was not previously sold separately, but now they're making it sold separately. And people have bought it so much that it's sold out until January.
What?
Do you know what it is?
No, I don't know. Polishing cloth. Polishing?
Look how long. 10 to 12 weeks.
Polishing cloth. What is it supposed to do?
It's to clean your screens. It has an Apple.
Oh my god! Oh my god! For $25, sold out everywhere. Literally, what they do? Oh my god! They're making their own cleaning brand, everybody. Oh my god! I don't know why people buy this.
It's when people see something made by Apple, they're gonna buy it.
Oh, they're gonna freak out. So you know what I'm gonna start doing? I'm gonna start taking every item in my room, adding an Apple logo and say it's from Apple, and there we go. Make $25 on it.
Apple sticker on it.
Yeah, just put an Apple sticker on it. You know what? I'm gonna let everybody know. I'm gonna go everywhere and I'm gonna tell people to add logos, Apple logos.
We'll put an Apple sticker.
Yeah, we're gonna put an Apple sticker worth $75 for an Apple sticker plus a hockey stick. Plus a toy. Like this is what they're doing. putting an Apple logo on it, and well, sold out immediately.
That basically concludes our video and his ranting and
yeah, my baffledness of all this, plus a polishing cloth worth $25. Now I'm actually agreeing with the price on this one. I'm actually happy they're selling it for $25, because usually if you buy like whatever you want, wipes or whatever you use to clean your computer, it's worth more than $25 because it's a big package. One thing, it's great, I understand, but for people to sell, for this to sell out, I don't know why people need it.
10 to 12 weeks would be.
Why do people need it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, end of January.
Like literally, I agree with the price, and I think the price is fair. But why would you feel the need to buy a polishing cloth from Apple? Of all things, you could buy anything. You can buy it even from the dollar store. Little packages of whatever you want to call it for $1. Cleaning supplies. Why do you feel the need just because it has an Apple logo on it to buy it? Why do people feel the need? I would love to know. Why do people feel the need to buy things from Apple with an Apple logo on it for literally $25, which is a fair price? But why does it sell out? How does they do it? I want to know how they do it, what goes in the thought process of this, and I want to know how they sell things immediately, because I want to get into this business. Literally.
Anyways, that's basically, if you're wondering if there's going to be any more Apple products this year, I highly doubt it. Last year, the reason we had 3 events we had one in September, October, and November, and the reason for that was the iPhones were delayed, and they had to have their own event, or else if the iPhones were not delayed, they would have been announced alongside the iPad in September, and then we would have had Macs in October. That would have been it. Since the iPhones were delayed, they had 3 separate events. So this year, we were back to normal. We had our iPhones, Apple Watch, and some iPads in September, and then we had the Macs in October.
This will probably
That'll probably be it. Obviously, you'll see holiday deals, the Black Friday, Boxing Day, and then
I'm just excited. I'm just
they'll
excited.
release their yearly Christmas ad, which
if you went to Walmart yesterday, you would have already seen Christmas everywhere.
Look, go on their website.
Christmas.
Early holiday favorites.
Literally. Already holiday. They're already moving into the Christmas season. I can't believe the time is going.
October 31st, everyone's celebrating Halloween. The second midnight hits and it's November 1st.
Holiday stuff.
Put up your tree.
We went to buy candy yesterday. We went to buy candy yesterday for trick-or-treaters. Guess what? They told us they didn't have any because they moved it to the Christmas season. How? How? It was just we went buying chocolate for 30th of October, which is basically Halloween season. Because after the 31st, I would understand, but on the 30th, we went finding for chocolate, and they already moved into the Christmas season, which means we're already on the road to Christmas, and we're already on the road to 2022.
I'm so excited for Christmas. I love Christmas.
I'm so excited.
It's my favorite time of year. We do lots of videos, and we got tons planned for the end of the year. We got a blooper video. We got our rewind. We got lots of more.
And maybe even in January 2022. And whenever we get back to Apple, we'll do apples. And let me tell you something. His review is on an Apple perspective, Apple fan perspective. My view is literally everyone who doesn't know anything about technology.
Yeah.
I'm literally the fairest thing you'll get right here. And the cloth, I really do like the pricing. The pricing is fair. The fact that it's sold out just because it has an Apple logo on it is baffling to me. But that is it for today's review of the Apple event 2021, the final event probably in 2021 we'll ever see. And move on, we are on the road. We are on the road to 2022.
And one of the items that was discussed in this video will be unboxed next week on this channel. So turn on that notification bell, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And we'll see you
in 2022.
Well,
no, we'll see you in next week. Peace.